Algonquin mist. Silence abounds from Rocky Mountain peaks to the shores covered with maritime teak. The dancer's movement in a French room lair cause a smirk to arise to lay the conscience bare. Across a land not ruled by the elite is the power of collective minds that is unique. To define, not divide, a nation's pride. Together in unison they sing in harmony. Worldwide cultures embrace one another to forget dividing ideologies. The strength in unity commands on a world stage to remember that one nation will stand and never age. Le cercle tourne toujours, elle est sera toujours ainsi. C'est la simple connaissance. Je me souviens que nous sommes tous ensemble dans la même famille. Bonne fête Canada! Happy birthday Canada!